Hi, everybody. This is Oscar, and today, while traversing my neighborhood, I ran into this business idea, which is really interesting. It's a vintage shop with a number of objects which are fascinating from the past, and it's an amazing thing to see here because to see the objects which communicate nostalgia and memories of the past, and in fact really stimulate this sense of who are we, what were we, and indeed what will we become. And I'm here right now with the owner of this fascinating business. Her name is Liliana, and let's just chat with her a little bit and see what she's doing. There's Liliana. Hi, Liliana. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Io parlo molto poco l'inglese, quindi purtroppo non posso parlare in inglese, devo parlare in italiano.
Well, sei molto attraente. Well, that's Liliana here, and let me. She says she speaks very little English, but it's her idea, and she's a bit of a person with a profound sense of what is life all about, and are we the objects we have around us or not? Let me show you some of these things. For example, this is a signal light from the railroad, from a railroad line, and she says it's an old railroad signal light from the 50s. And let me show you some of the objects here that we have here. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. There's some telephones there. Do you see the telephones? And you know what? It's kind of interesting, isn't it, that when very young people see these telephones, they're sort of intrigued and mystified as to what it is all about. Okay, they can't imagine that. They can't imagine a world that existed without the smartphone. Isn't that true? And so here we go. Let me show you. Fascinating objects from our past, from our being. There's an old, what do you call it? Those game machines of the 70s. Yeah. There you go. Posters and things. A Coca-Cola sign. Old speakers. Interesting stuff. Oh, there you go. How about that? There's a traffic light. That'd be a cool thing to have in a house, wouldn't it? Yeah? Wouldn't that be interesting? Well, just want to give you an idea of this magnificent shop, and I find it is an idea that indeed is a stimulus into the question of being. Who are we and what are we? Well, let's say goodbye to Liliana. Say goodbye to everybody, Liliana. Di addio a tutti. Ciao.
Ciao, vi saluto. Vi aspetto. Ecco, non vi vengo a trovare. Spero che mi veniate a trovare. Ciao.
There you go. That was a lovely Liliana, and she says goodbye to everybody, and she waits for you to come and visit her. So, this is Oscar and Rome in my neighborhood, and I'll talk to you later.